my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you'll want to hit that subscribe button and become friends. So we're going to talk a little bit about March's BoxyCharm for 2023. We've got two choices so far, I see. I also got the email saying sneak peek, check out what March has, and then I clicked on it and there was something wrong with the app and it just didn't take me to it. Anyhow, choice is coming up February 6th, and then we have the drop shop, I think the same day. So let's go ahead and look at and see what we have. It looks like we have the Icon Mascara High Volume and Intense Curl from Il Makiage, a $27 value. It's supposed to separate, lift, curl, and thicken. All right. Then next, by First Aid Beauty, 2-in-1 cleansing oil plus makeup remover, $26 value. I'm kind of surprised at that price because First Aid Beauty's products are usually a little bit on the more expensive side. But I'll put pictures of these items up in here for you. Those are the two choices that we have right now. And then yes, March choice will be open February 6th. And these are the choices for the base box, which is $27.99 a month with a $1.99 handling fee. And they tell you the average value is $175. And when they say average, they're adding up every box for the entire year. Usually it's around $125. It's February 4th already. Yeah, so on February 6th, which is Monday, we'll be able to make our choice and check out the drop shop. Now, I have not seen anything in the drop shop recently that I want, but I am curious. Are you guys still shopping with the drop shop? Are you finding that there are too many repeats? Let me know. I want to talk about that with you guys down in the comments. Thank you for joining me for this short video. I just wanted to post it so you guys are aware, because sometimes I forget, you know, especially with things in life being so busy right now. And I do want to be able to make my choice. I don't want them just sending me any old random thing, although sometimes I feel like they do that anyway. But you know what I'm saying. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye.